Hey guys, we have woken up a bit early today. We have a long day ahead of us, so first of all, we need to get the dog vaccinated. Her kennel cough has been pending for about a month now. Stop that! Stop biting the fan. Nobody has the kennel cough vaccination around here. For some reason, they're all running out of stock. And then mommy and daddy have to get vaccinated for coronavirus. Hopefully we'll get one of the better COVID vaccinations rather than the Chinese ones, because it's the one provided by the government, so there's nothing that we can do. And then I have to go again, probably third or fourth time, to get my Phil Health number. Goddamn government bureaucracy. The dog doesn't like the camera for some reason. Hey Tia. Tia. What happened, baby? You don't like the camera? Tia. Oh, it's the camera. Come here, baby. Baby, don't be afraid of the camera.
Tia.
Tia?
Yeah. May simbahan na kayo.
Oh, we can check her weight finally. Love, hold on.
Nag-sit po ba siya?
Kaso lang medyo taong bahay kasi. Taong.
Sit down, sit down.
Tia,
Tia, wait, baby.
Mami will give you a treat.
Sit down.
Nervyoso naman.
Oh, she's scared.
Ching, ching, ching.
She's sitting up.
17.5 po.
Oy.
She's scared. She forgot this place.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Look at the cute puppy.
You want a toy? You want a toy?
Naman makain tsaka pupo, okay naman.
Malak.
Ano problema?
Wala naman, maarte lang.
Hey!
Sobrang arte.
Look, they have the chew toys that we purchased. The chew rawhide.
Makain na lang magpakain sa bahay.
Pasok na ba? Go.
Come
Go.
here.
Altia.
Oh shit! I'll hold this.
Hindi na, ano siya sa tao eh. Hindi sanay sa tao.
Laki-laki mo lang, takot ka na. Okay, please.
Takot sa tao.
So, can you hold the head? You will just get the best.
Oh.
Yeah. Altia love.
Good girl.
Let's show that thing, baby. Can I stop this now?
What?
Can I stop recording?
Doctor 8.9.
Don't try to jump.
I'll give you a treat. I'll give you a treat. I'll give you a treat.
Ever since you figured out how to jump.
Ano to? Anong breed na ito, ma'am?
Mongrel. Aspin.
Ay, hindi ko alam, ma'am. Alam ko. Okay, baby. No.
Wait lang, baby.
Okay, very good.
So you used to take it so well when you were a puppy. What happened?
Ay, Doc.
So we just dropped off the dog. at back at our own place. She's vaccinated. She's gonna get another vaccine for kennel cough. She got a heartworm med. She's been fed. She's enjoying her treat, her rawhide inside her crate. And now we're off to Metro Manila, right?
Yeah.
Metro Manila, the capital city of the Philippines, to get our vaccine. So we're not far away. It's for my Indian friends, it's like Delhi and Noida kind of a situation that we are in right now. So we're just gonna head there, get our first vaccine today. My wife told me it's gonna be Pfizer, so it's okay, it's safe, and Pfizer is internationally recognized, so it's good for us if we have to travel across nations. Now we're gonna pick up one of our, what would I call, distant relatives. My sister-in-law's fiance's sister-in-law. No, sister and cousin, okay, whatever. So my wife's sister's fiance's cousin and her family. Wow, that felt like an Indian connection. Anyway, so we're about to pick them up right here.
I think that's them.
Which car?
Yeah, that dam. 4826.
That one?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna just turn around then. I see people getting disgusted by porta potties. Oh yeah, this guy's going in the one that I waited.
Gross. Oh my god.
Yeah, open it, and be disgusted by it. That's it. Get vaccinated.
Kinabahan niya, alcohol pa lang.
Yeah, get jabbed.
Sir, Pfizer, Pfizer. Laan ng butas yung tenga, no? Huwag mong takuti, mamaya hindi magpaturok na dito. Tapos na. Relax lang, sir. Hawakan to, sir. Okay, dito lang pala. Ayun na si Tito.
You got vaccinated? Behind me. Hello? Did she get vaccinated?
Yes. I didn't see it.
Thank you.
Pfizer first. That's actually the medicine. You laugh so you can feel it.
Yeah, I got vaccinated, but it's hidden. Hey guys, Well, we have finally ended our day, or at least for us so far, the work that was to be done has been finished. It's 4:30 in the afternoon, so we have gotten our dog vaccinated. Both of us are vaccinated, and finally my field health problem resolved after I was able to get my employer and the field health people to talk. So finally my employer is going to file for my account activation himself. They should have technically done in the first place, which I had been asking them to do. And this ends the day for me. Very long day, however, because I got to sleep like 5 hours and I woke up early and now I'm tired, and the vaccination might be making me a bit drowsy. I guess I'm gonna maybe take a nap. It's 4:30, so I can take a nap 1 hour and rest if the dog will calm down. See you next time then.